So frozen set is an immutable version of the set object itself. Parts of the set you can you can actually delete or remove an element from the set. You can add an element to a normal set, but frozen set, once it is created, cannot be changed. So in a way, it is like a tuple. Tuples are immutable lists, whereas frozen sets are immutable sets. And let's see where you can use that. But before that, we just want to see frozen set with a quick program. Here we have a list which contains the names of three fruits, and then we make a frozen set out of this list. So let's clear the cells and see what do we have in store for us. So here we have a frozen set with these three names of fruits which are acting as three strings, right? And you can also create a frozen set with another set. So here we have my set, which is actually names of fruits again, and we are creating a frozen set with the my set again. So let's use my set here, and here we can see that my set is actually a set, whereas I have created X with a frozen set of all the values of my set, and then here we have a frozen set. You can also use this as part of another set. So new set is another set, and this is an application of the frozen set. So what is the use of frozen set? So we have seen that frozen sets are nothing but sets that cannot be changed. You can't add, you can't remove, or you cannot delete, you cannot insert anything, just like tuples in that. But the only advantage is you also have the benefit of not having duplicates. So frozen set doesn't have duplicates, as well as the values are not mutable. So where do we use this frozen set? We can use frozen set as part of another set, because you can use this as a hashable element, because frozen sets are immutable. See, the keys of a set or dictionary can only be immutable objects. It can be tuples or frozen sets, or int, float, a string, or a bool value. So you can only use the immutable objects as keys. So here I have a set which is new set, and you can see that X is a frozen set here. I'm using X as an element of a set because it is hashable, and because it is immutable, it becomes hashable. So you can see I have used it as part of as an element of another set, because X itself is an immutable object. Here you can see that I have used X as the key of a dictionary. One important thing to note here is the keys of a dictionary have to be immutable objects. So the keys of a dictionary being immutable objects, which can be integer, float, a string, or tuple, or frozen set. So I have used X, which is a frozen set here. So we created the frozen set using the my set, and X is a frozen set, and we have used X as the key of a dictionary. Look at this, we have used the frozen set as the key of a dictionary. So these are two beautiful applications of a frozen set, where you can use this as the key of a set or a dictionary as well. So what are the built-in functions of set versus frozen set? So if you look at a normal set, you can see all the add, delete, and remove pop functions are available for you, because you can add or remove the element from a normal set. But a frozen set, you can see all the add, remove, and pop functions are out of the window. So you don't have the add, remove, and delete functions. You cannot modify anything. You only have the mathematical functions, the union, intersection, and you also don't have the intersection update, uh, difference update, and symmetric difference update, because you cannot update the frozen set. So the update functions are out of these set functions, and the normal add, remove, and discard, that also is not available. So that those are the difference between the built-in functions of a normal set and the built-in functions of a frozen set. I hope you got a good idea of the frozen set collection data type in Python. To gain more understanding of the sets, please look at the video link provided here. Thanks a lot for watching.